so when you're done cleaning the outside of the home and you're going to go inside the home, there's a few things you want to do for that. First of all, you want to switch to your regular hat. So make sure you take off your big straw hat so that's not obstructing your view inside the home. You're going to want to get a new detailing rag going over your shoulder. You want to fill up your pouch with all new rags. Make sure you have plenty of rags. You're going to want to make sure you empty out your holster bucket. You want to make sure you wring out your washing wand nice and good. And then you want to make sure you put on your drip guard. You might also want to go ahead, wipe down your bucket if it's super wet and drippy. You want to try to avoid dripping in the home as much as possible. Then make sure that you've replaced your water, that you have all new fresh water. You want to put your water and your bucket of rags as close to the door as possible without obstructing the door so that the customer can come and go, or if anybody's coming and going through the home, you're not blocking their path or their way. You also want to take your step ladder. And you want to wipe off all the steps. Trying to eliminate as much as possible stuff that could fall on their floor. You also want to make sure you wipe down the feet good. Make sure there's no mud or dirt or water on these feet when you take it inside the home. You also want to do that to any other ladders you think you might be taking in the home. So if you think you're going to take in your 16-foot ladder or even your 24-foot ladder, make sure you go and wipe off the feet of your ladder and any rungs that look dirty so that when you take it in the home, you're not going to be getting dirt and water and possibly mud in the home. And then also, if you are going to take in your 16-foot or your 24-foot ladder, make sure you replace your ladder mitts with the inside ones that you're going to buy. Kind of want to have everything ready to go so that when you ring the doorbell, you're ready to walk in the home and start cleaning. So you want to ring the doorbell and just say, "Hey, I'm ready to clean the inside of the home now." And they'll say, "Come on in." Put on your shoe booties. You want to make sure you have your shoe booties. Put those on your feet once you walk into the house. If you have to come back outside the house, make sure you take those shoe booties back off. That way you're not walking in and out with the shoe booties. That kind of defeats the whole purpose of having the shoe booties, which is to keep your customer's house as clean as possible. And even if their house is filthy, still always practice procedure, always stick to your procedures. It also shows them that you respect their home, even if they don't respect their home. So other than that, that's pretty much all you need to do to get ready to go inside the home. So at this house, I actually have to come up steps, but as you can see here, I've got my bucket of water and my extra rags located near the door so that if I have to come and rinse out my washing wand, which hopefully I won't have to, but if I do, I can simply open the door, stick my washing wand down into the bucket, wring it back out, or if I need to grab some extra rags if I'm running low, it's all right here, and then I don't have to really come out of the house with my shoe booties on, or have to take my shoe booties off, come out, do that, put them back on, and go back inside. So you want it as close as possible to the door so that you can spend all your time inside cleaning and getting done quickly.